Hey kids, welcome to Creative Chaos. What if you were stuck in a spaceship, but one of your friends wasn't really your friend? Someone is pretending to help, but really, they're the imposter. Sounds exciting, right? Well, welcome to the world of Among Us. A long time ago, a group of crewmates was sent on a mission deep into space. They had one job to keep the ship running by fixing wires, fueling engines, and pressing buttons. But there was a big problem. One of them was an imposter. The imposter looked just like the crewmates, but they weren't here to help. They were here to sabotage the ship and get rid of everyone. The crewmates had to work fast. They ran from room to room, finishing their tasks and watching each other closely. But if someone looked suspicious, they had a meeting. Emergency meeting. Everyone talked and tried to figure out, who is the imposter? Was it the red crewmate acting strange? Or the blue crewmate who disappeared? If the crewmates voted right, they threw the imposter out of the ship. But if they were wrong, the imposter stayed and kept causing trouble. Here's a fun fact. Did you know Among Us was first made in 2018, but it became super famous in 2020? And guess what? There are over 500 million players around the world. Also, each crewmate has different colors and hats. You can dress up as a ninja, a chef, or even a mini astronaut. Among Us is all about teamwork, trust, and a little bit of trickery. So, are you a crewmate or an imposter? Bye for now. See you next time.